Hello everyone, welcome to the class with Sister Josephine. I am going to deal with class 4 English Grammar Lesson 2 Part 2. We had seen in the previous session Lesson 2 Part 1. Today we shall see the rest of the exercises. This is on page number 12, bit C. Pick out nouns in the following passage and write them in the space provided. So, this is the passage given in your textbook on page number 12. I am just reading. Once there lived a king and a queen. The queen gave birth to a baby girl. Her skin was as white as snow. The queen called her Snow White. When Snow White was still young, the queen died. The king married again. The new queen was beautiful. She looked into a mirror and asked, "Who is the most beautiful woman?" One morning, the mirror answered, "Snow White." The queen began to hate Snow White. She said to her servant, "Take the child into the forest and kill her." So this is the passage given in your textbook. Now, let us find out what are the nouns in this passage. So the answer for the previous passage. Some of the nouns we found in that passage were king, queen, baby, girl, skin, white, snow, mirror, woman, servant, child, forest, Snow White. You can write it in your textbook. Now we go to the next exercise. This is number D. Many nouns are hidden in the puzzle given below. Find them by moving vertically and horizontally. 2 examples have been done for you. So here is the box. This box is already given in your textbook on page number 12. So this is horizontally and this is vertical. So and this is the thing, already one answer is given. This is October, this is COT coat. So in this way we have to just circle them or find the answers from here. I am giving the answer in the next page. You can follow it in your textbook. So horizontally the answers are water, star, soil, land, horse, goat, October, home, gold, rice, chair, newspaper. And vertically, this way, in the vertical way, the answers are nose, dog, coat, road, cap, sea, letter. So these are the answers. In the textbook, use your pencil and circle these words. First you find these words and circle them and learn it. We go with the next exercise, E. Choose the correct option from the box to complete the following collective nouns. We have seen already what are collective nouns, which stands for a group. So this is on page number 13. So we have got a help box. The answers are given: gang, flock, team, pack, herd, fleet, pile, class. So here is the question and the answers have been in red letters and underlined. A gang of thieves, a flock of sheep, a class of students, a fleet of ships, a herd of cattle, a pack of wolves, a team of cricket, a pile of sand. So these are the answers. Write it in the textbook and learn. Here we go with the last exercise, that is F. Given below are names of some material nouns. Mentioned against each is the name of the thing that can be made out of that material. Add at least 3 more things that can be made using that material. So here are the material nouns. So in the textbook you have got the first words are already given, and from there we have to write some more example of which the things are made up of. For example, the first one is steel. We have to write the things that are made up of steel. So here we go with the answers: steel, locks, plate, glass, knife. So these are the items made with the help of steel. Next is the wood. So what are the things made from the wood? Chairs, door, window, bench. Next is the milk. Here are the milk products: curd, butter, cheese, sweets. Next, rubber, gloves, gumboot, eraser, toys. So these are some of the items made up of these things. Number 5, plastic. So these are the plastic items: buckets, comb, mug, basket. Next is the gold. So these are the things made from gold: ring, chain, necklace, bangle. Next is cotton. From cotton we get shirts, pants, trousers, blouse. Last one is the wool. From the wool we get pullovers, sweater, muffler and scarf. So these are the answers. Write it in the textbook and learn them. So here we end with the second lesson. The second lesson gets over here. Thank you. In the next class we shall see the lesson 3. Stay healthy, learn easily.